everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I am bringing you a concept. This is one of my men's car baskets. Now I know in your area car baskets may not be popular. Here in my area we have a lot of car shows. And the men down here are very, very reluctant to let detailers and other people mess in their cars. They detail them themselves, they clean them themselves. So the car baskets are very popular in my area because we do host a lot of car shows down here. Maybe one day if I get a chance, I'll just, on my way to work, videotape some of those cars that a lot of my neighbors have, because a lot of them participate in those things. And once again, I said you have to vet the area that you're in so you know what excuse me, what kind of baskets to make. All right, so this is one of my car baskets. I'll just bring you in here, turn some light off of you. All right, so as you can see, we use the t-shirt here. This is the race car t-shirt that I showed you all before. Looks like this. Alright, so we have our race car t-shirt there. Alright, and then in here I have put one of the big sponges to wash the car with. Alright, and then we have our son of a gun glass cleaner here that doesn't streak, and etc, etc. Alright, we have a pair of sunglasses. We also have our son of a gun cleaning wipes. Alright, as well as a water bottle, because he's out there cleaning that car. You want him to definitely be able to get some hydration, and this is what those water bottles look like. I got these at Walmart. They were $1. I didn't show them in the haul, but I did pick those up at Walmart. Alright, and then we got our Arm & Hammer foot powder, our deodorant towelettes, and some body wash. And I've also included a loofah in here for him. Alright, so this is one and done. This is what the car basket looks like. And I sold every one of these last year for Father's Day, which was a blessing for me because I had just started out doing street sales for baskets. Alright, so I used my tag gun to attach the shirt to this box. I did not open up this box. I just wanted something just strong enough to hold the shirt in up there in place. Alright, and then in the back here, nothing spectacular. I've got my shirt tagged in, and I just put some matching tissue paper back here, and we have yellow shred in here just to kind of bring all the colors together. I'm going to put a little more shred up here. Alright, but you all tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail. Basket designing, always refining, deal finding, yeah, we grinding. Hitting the streets, meet and greets is such a treat. Hosting hard in creative ways with gift displays. Yes, it pays. Making tumblers, t-shirts, and doing custom orders. We be crafting woodwork ready for every quarter. Prepping and stepping, getting ready for the season. In the crafty corner, everybody got a reason. Instructing, sharing, lifting spirits high. Inspired to create,
everybody, it's
to
Katrina.
dream, to try, be blessed. But most importantly,